Today we're taking a look at all that's great from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. The first clip comes to us from George and Joy. Now George and Joy have long since taken their page off of YouTube, but they still allow us to show a few clips so you remember the popping that goes on in their household. And that was an infected, what appears to be an epidermoid cyst. What do you think? This patient is being treated for a severe case of gout in the joint of the middle finger. My wife recently had gout, which is commonly at the base of the big toe. So here is an interesting game. Go ahead and comment where you're from, and then scan through the comments to see how many different cities we have. When I first saw this image, I thought it was Hollywood makeup. But I think now looking at it, it's several layers of Photoshop. This otherwise healthy, perfect baby girl was born yesterday with an extra toe. And her parents are going to have to decide whether they surgically remove one or leave it and be a little different. What would you do? Now, we don't make much money off of ads on YouTube, but if you want to support the page, go ahead and check out m7amazon.com. We'd greatly appreciate it.
Hey there, medical fans. We've got a short but sweet video for you today. It's about a useful tool called a comedone or blackhead extractor. So take a look at some clips of blackheads being squeezed, both with and without an extractor, while I give you some info and tips about using these things, and we'll throw a link in at the end if you'd like to get one for yourself. Blackheads are clogged pores that are still open at the top. Whiteheads are closed comedones, and it's best to leave those alone, although some people lance and then pop them. The extractor works best with blackheads because ideally you don't want to break the skin. This can sometimes lead to scarring or secondary infections. Usually these tools are used by dermatologists, but if you're careful, they can be bought and effectively used at home. A couple tips. Don't push too hard because you could still break the skin. You may want to wash or steam your face before using the extractor to help loosen the pores. Always make sure your extractor is clean before and after using so you don't spread bacteria. It's helpful to wash your face afterwards as well. Finishing with cold water will help shrink your pores back down. A lot of people that have extractors really enjoy using them, but it's good to be responsible and not overuse them as well. So there you go, the basics of comedone extractors. As you can see, they're definitely easier and safer than using your fingers. So if you want to get one for yourself, check out the link below. It's actually a really nice kit with several different extractors. So check it out, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.